You got him. Good job.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for saving him. I got a YouTube channel. That's why I got the camera. So good job saving him. Yeah. You rehab birds, or you? That's awesome.
Sea Biscuit's over here in Rhode Island.
Sea Biscuits.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put a little blog in there for you, if you don't mind. All right. Sea Biscuits. Saving seagulls. Saving birds every day. Good deal. He's been eating off of me all day, so. Let him bite you.